Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then tap on Language and Region and tap on Edit. Right now we can choose our language from the list, so just find it and tap on this plus icon, and your device will ask you if you want to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on yes. Now let's go back, and as you can see, the Turkish language, in my case of course, has been applied at the top of the list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added here, you can quickly reorder them and change the language. So tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Then tap on this first option to confirm, and as you can see, we've got English applied. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on Edit and tap on this minus icon right here. Now we can go back, and as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.